So, as our final part of the day is the awarding of the Annie Hall Award. And so every year we present a community member, healthcare provider with this award that recognizes really meaningful work around family engagement. And so Anne Marie Hall, we called her Annie as her kind of nickname. She passed away February 9th, 2021, after a valiant 7.5 year battle with metastatic breast cancer. She was one of our beloved neonatologists who worked primarily in the NICU at Poudre Valley Hospital, but also came down to our Anschutz campus to our level 4 NICU. She had done her training and her early work in Minnesota, but returned to Colorado in 2017. And she was an assistant professor and truly a champion of family engagement in the NICU. She felt a deep conviction that family centered care was critical to the health and well being of our high risk infants and families. She also was a steering committee member of our state's collaborative, Chosen Quick, focused on improving care for families affected by prenatal substance use. She worked closely with multidisciplinary care team members, public health, and child welfare experts to support these families, especially in the transition from hospital to home. And this award, in Annie's honor and memory, recognizes an individual or team who seeks to center the family experience in the provision of medical and social care for pregnant persons and infants in the Rocky Mountain region. And I'm thrilled to announce that this year's winner is Graham Miller. And so Graham Miller is a physical therapist in our Children's Hospital NICU, and she just retired. And unfortunately, she was not able to be with us in person because she is surprising her son for his 27th birthday. And so she's there visiting him, but she did record some remarks that I wanted to play for you.
Good morning. Well, it's morning today. It's Tuesday, April 14th, and I know you all are at the conference, and I think it's afternoon for you. I just want to say a few things. I hope you're having a great day and learning so much about family-centered care as I always did at the Define conference. Dr. Hwang and Dr. Fisher, Dr. Borg, the whole Define team, I really want to thank you for all the opportunities that you've given me in my time as physical therapist in the NICU. And want to say that about this award, I watched the Oscars and I don't think anyone there is as grateful as I am to receive this award. I'm so honored and surprised because sometimes the family-centered work is pretty quiet and pretty personal, and it was always the most important thing for me. When I started as a physical therapist in 1989, a long time ago, if the parents weren't there when I saw the baby, I'd be so grateful because I was always worried that I would do something that was upsetting to the baby or didn't look beautiful with my handling, or they would ask a question that I didn't know the answer to. But over time, I learned over and over and over again that if I helped the parents care for the baby with some of the things that I learned in physical therapy school or in my years working in the NICU, that was much more powerful than anything else I could do. I had parents over and over show me when I came in for a session things that their baby was able to do, that they'd been encouraging and supporting since I'd been there last. I saw babies comforted by the reassurance that their parents were there. through our sessions. And I always said it's not the magic hour of physical therapy each week or twice a week. It's really helping a lot of things happen with the parents' help when I'm not there, over and over and over again throughout the day. I said that, I saw that, I believe that, I know that. So I thank you so much for this incredible honor, the Dr. Annie Hall Award. She was an incredible clinician and someone that modeled family-centered care. I appreciate all of you working hard today to learn more about how to center the family in care, and hope that next year I will be in town and at your side, maybe as a volunteer since I'm retired now as of March 10th. But thank you so much. Have a great day. Continue the great work.
I just love Graham. Isn't she just the best? She is the best of us. All right, so here we are, 2 minutes till 4. We are actually on time. So before I go into the drawing, a few last minute announcements. The first is the evaluation. So you have a QR code here. You also have handouts on your table that has a QR code. If you complete the evaluation, you will be entered into a drawing of one of three $50 Amazon gift cards. So please do complete the survey. Now, yes, the gift card is great, but more importantly, your feedback informs the content of the defined forum for next year. And so likely April 2027, I will be seeing all of you back here. And more raffle tickets. Anybody else? And so please provide honest feedback. Honestly, the content for this year was very much informed by the feedback that you provided last year.